Welcome to another how-to video, how to use FreshWorks CRM. So let's begin by going to the freshworks.com website, then click free trial today, scroll down until you find Fresh Sales, click it and try it for free. And as you can see, you can sign up for a 21-day free trial. It's up to you if you want to sign up with Google or with email. Mine is with Google. And as you can see, this site will ask you which industry you belong to, which is up to you. I will choose e-commerce, click others, click next, and then click next again. And now I will choose to manage leads and customers. Then click get started. From here on, you can see the dashboard on the right side of the screen, which will provide you an overview of everything that's happening. You can click customers to check the information and fresh sales. You can check the information of merchants, transactions, conversations, and analytics and fresh sales. That's how to use FreshWorks CRM. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.